Both Machkola and Jogipota school remained closed for over a period of 6 months each year as the roads leading to the schools stayed underwater during monsoon. Moreover, the playground of Jogipota Primary School was damaged and unsafe as the rainwater washed away and weakened the soil of the ground. As a result, the playground used to stay inundated during monsoon. The students were therefore unable to use the playground for any kind of sports or entertainment that heavily affected their mental development. During monsoon, the situation turned worse, and it becomes impossible to reach the classroom by crossing this large body of water. With spontaneous contribution from the community and the hard work of the participants from climate vulnerable households, the playground of Jogipota School was raised and 3 school connecting roads were repaired and rebuilt. In this regards, 111 underprivileged male and female participants were employed under cash for work programs and earned 300 BDT each per day. Apart from the students, this intervention additionally improving the mobility of the affected community as well, since they regularly use this road to go to work, sell their produce in the local market and meet friends and families.